Limited lifetime warranty. Delphi brings 80-plus years of OE heritage into each Delphi pump, ensuring quality and fitment for each Delphi part. Delphi is a global OE manufacturer and all fuel pumps are built to Delphi OE standards. Rigorous OE testing ensures the pump can withstand extreme temperatures ranging from -32°C to 65°C. Replacing the fuel filter and strainer is always recommended when replacing a fuel pump. Delphi fuel modules and pumps are designed to deliver an immediate, uninterrupted flow of fuel to the engine's fuel rail and injectors at the specified system pressure, resulting in more efficient operation. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Seems to be a much better filter than the one it replaced. Better build and very affordable. I installed this after removing, cleaning and putting a sealant coat in my gas tank using POR 15.